Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix keyboard backlight is not working in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go and search and look for device manager. Then you need to go to a keyboards and then you will see maybe one or more keyboard devices. So if you have one, you just need to press update driver, search automatically for drivers and update the drivers, right? If you have more, you need to do this with all your basically keyboards here. And then restart your computer, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you need to go to your particular keyboard and you need to enable with keyboard as well. So you just need to, typically you need to press and hold F1 button, and then you need to press F button that has a brightness logo. In my particular case, it's F2, so I just need to press and hold F1 and then press F2 to basically turn on the brightness. And you maybe need to press a couple of times, and after that your backlight should turn on. So that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.